to Mrs. Gregg's 3rd grade geometry class. Well, today we're going to cover two aspects of geometry and measurement, which are fractions and perimeters of polygons. A fraction is a number that expresses part of a group. The top number is what we would call a numerator. A numerator is a number of special items. The bottom number is what we would call a denominator. A denominator is a number of items in a whole. For example, let us take this circle for instance. How many pieces are in this circle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 slices in the circle. Good job. Okay, let's just shade in some. So I'm just going to shade in. So the parts that I have shaded in will be our numerator because those are the ones that I have taken away. So let's count how many shaded ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our numerator will be what? 4. Good job. Okay. So our denominators is the slices in whole. So how many slices did we say we had in whole? 8. Good job. You are awesome. Okay, so our current fraction will be what? 4/8. If we wanted to make the fraction to the smallest form, we could. You know what? Might as well do it. I know y'all are pretty smart kids, so let's see what it would be. In order to find the simplest form, we have to see if we can divide the numerator into the denominator. Let's see. Can 4 go into 8? Yes, it can. So we know that 4 times 2 is 8. So we can divide 4 in the numerator 4 in order to get 1. I'm going to show y'all. So 4 divided by 4, which is the number we're dividing into both of them, equals 1. And then 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So our new fraction would be what? 1/2. Good job. Our new numerator will be 1, and our new denominator would be 2. So we put this together, we have 1/2. I hope all y'all can see this. So that will be our new fractions. Very simple. Let's move on to determining the perimeter of a polygon. Perimeter is the distance around the shape. A polygon is a plane figure with at least 3 straight sides and angles and can typically go up to 5 or more. To find our perimeter of a polygon, we will be using this grid-like square. So, to start off, we have to count the outside of the square, the outside units. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many do we have along the top? We have 8. Now we will start with our side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do we have along the sides? We have 7. So you know that all these sides are equal. So if we have 7 on this side, we're going to have how many on this side? 7. Good job. And we have 8 on the top. How many do we have on the bottom? We have 8. So now all we do is we just count up our numbers. So we have 7 plus 7, which is 14, and we have 8 plus 8, which is 16. So all we do now is we add up those two numbers, 14 and 16, and we get 30. So 30 units would be our perimeter. You see how easy that was? You just add up our top numbers. The outside, we do not add in the boxes in the inside. We're just adding the top and we're adding the sides. So we have 7, 7, 8, 8, which equals 30. So 30 units will be our perimeter. Now that I am done teaching you what a fraction is and how we find a fraction and what a perimeter is in a polygon, does anybody have any questions or concerns about how and what to do when finding a fraction and perimeter?